Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restore or recover deleted posts on Instagram. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once opened, locate and click on the profile button at the bottom right. Then click on menu at the top right. Once you selected menu, then you'll be taken to the settings and privacy. On the settings and privacy page, scroll down. Under how you use Instagram, select your activity. Now, once you selected that, scroll down, locate recently deleted under removed and archived content, click on it. Then here you should see all your recently deleted posts on Instagram. Now go ahead and select the post you want to restore. Then click on the three dots on the post. Then you should see restore or delete. Now go ahead and click on the restore button to restore the post back to your Instagram profile page, and then you're good. So you want to repeat this on all your Instagram posts that you want to restore them back to your Instagram. So that is exactly how to restore or recover deleted posts on Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.